Alright, so the next one in line for us is to learn how we can read from the standard input. To read from standard input is actually much more simpler in Python, so simple than you can think of. And it's just by using, let's say we want to get the name of the user, or let me say we want to get the IP address of our user. So we can say IP is equals to input, and we can just pass some information that say enter target IP address, and it's just as simple as that. Then we can print um, the the target IP address is, then we try to blend in the IP address. Sorry, I'm actually used to coding in C, and that's why I'm using this, so that's my bad. I press Ctrl S, then try to run this program in our I said, can you see? So it's now asking us to enter the target IP address. So let me locate my IP address if I can see. So that's it, 192.168.43.174, and it's returned back to us say the target IP address is 127.1. You can see things are actually a lot more easier with Python. So in the next tutorial we're going to talk about the while loop.